Reduce queues and improve customer experience with CollectionPoint, the order status display software from ICRTouch. CollectionPoint screens can display order status and expected wait times, ideal for quick service restaurants, cafes, attractions, warehouses and waiting rooms to keep customers well informed. The intelligent solution integrates seamlessly with the wider ICRTouch ecosystem, saving you time by automating the whole process. When an order is complete, a single button press on the controller via either TouchPoint or TouchKitchen will update the customer-facing screen. If a customer misses their call, CollectionPoint's remote control allows staff to easily recall and resend notifications. You'll help reduce complaints by automatically providing customers with their expected wait times. You'll be reducing congestion by keeping customers away from the counter at busy times. And you'll be increasing sales by using the fully branded screen to advertise promotions, offers and upsells. Find your local authorized ICRTouch partner today and speed up your operations with CollectionPoint.